The installation file will be downloaded as a .zip file. Once downloaded, unzip the contents and choose your installation file. For on-site implementations that do not use the OAuth authentication method, double-click on the setup.exe file to begin the installation wizard. For my Cloud Connect installations, double-click on the install.bat file to begin the installation wizard. Here we will demonstrate the install method using install.bat. Note that the install.bat file will pre-populate the server name and the OAuth information into the installation wizard. Follow the prompts and press Next to proceed through the installation wizard. When the installer completes the installation, press the Finish button and notice that the download client icon appears on your desktop.